Today, our top story, the sentencing hearing for Patrick Crusius continues later on this morning.
That's right. It's been nearly 4 years since the victims and their families are trying to get some type of justice for the horror they experienced on August 3rd, 2019. Some of those family members and nearly 24 others injured in the Cielo Vista Walmart shooting, hoping to start the healing process as the sentencing hearing for the gunman is underway. KTSM 9 News reporter Shelby Kapp has more.
It was an extremely emotional about 3 hours in the courtroom, hearing victims and victims' families speak, many of them telling the shooter that they could see him smirking, and sobbing could be heard in the courtroom. Here you can see a sketch from inside the courtroom. Some victims looking at the shooter directly in the eyes, while others said they couldn't. The son of victim Alexander Hoffman held up a photo of his father and said, "I don't know why you don't want to see it," as the shooter shook his head. The daughter of another victim, David Johnson, speaking about the trauma to her daughter, who was with her grandpa at the Walmart the day he was shot, saying while standing in front of the shooter, quote, "I want you to hear my daughter crying. I want them to haunt your days and nights as you haunt hers." Her daughter, 13 years old, stood at the podium with a service dog by her side, calling the shooter pathetic and referring to herself as a survivor of someone's messed up actions, saying, quote, "It isn't fair that I have to live with this." Another young survivor who was at the Walmart with her soccer team for a fundraiser the day of the shooting that left her father with a gunshot wound and her soccer coach dead, saying she ran that day to hide behind the Walmart when the shots rang out, saying, quote, "Why was it us in pain and not you? I had to endure all of this at age 12. Now I'm 16. The now teenager saying to the shooter, "I want you dead. I hate you so much," and finished by looking at the shooter and saying, "My name is Genesis Davila. You better not forget that." The father of one of the victims, Jordan Anchondo, who was killed alongside her husband while protecting their 1-year-old son, who is now 4 years old, her father speaking with the media outside the courthouse.
It's hard. It's very, very hard. I mean, you sit there and you think, man, if you didn't do what you did, I'd have my child, hold and hug right now.
Once again, that was Shelby Kapp reporting. Something to note is that the gunman, Patrick Crusius, is still facing state charges in the Walmart shooting case and could face the death penalty under state prosecution. El Paso County District Attorney Bill Hicks has said the state trial date against the shooter will not be set until after the sentencing in the federal case. DA Hicks has said the state trial likely won't get going until next year or possibly even 2025.